Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I haven't even posted a video these days because I was sick. Yesterday I was sick, and today I was sick, but it felt better. So thank you so much, guys. Well, today is a new video. So I have a special palette from Greenworks, and I don't know, like there's like some unusual things, like there's a phone and some couple of chargers that belong to the different devices. Well, yeah, today I got a pallet, and it's hold on, I had to think in my mind. Hold on, I think it's 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 pieces of electronics and toys. So I am going to show you all the things. First, I have to unwrap the pallet. Oh no, before I unwrap the pallet, I have to tell you, the manifest and the money, the CS bidding price was $137.99 for these pile of electronics. These electronics come from a store. These and the phone and the other things come from a carrier. And yeah, so which entails a lot of things. I don't know if it turned on. I have no idea, since these things should be powered off during shipping. Like, I'm assuming it's a very nice thing. So, and these pallets are available online through a website. I bought this liquidation pallet from a website called fastliquidation.com, and this is the best thing I've ever gotten for like $129.99. So let's get started with the unboxing. So first, I'm gonna unwrap it. Be careful, or it can make like a ripping hole. Rip through the plastic wrap. I don't know why they put too much plastic wrap on these pallets. Oh my god. Alright, you get first you get a vTech Kidibuzz G2. Pretty good condition. Well, someone took this back because it came shipped discharged, and it looks like someone took this back just because they didn't like it anymore. You get a unusual case. This might be for a phone. Yeah, I'm assuming. Here's a Amazon Kindle Fire tablet, 7 inches. It looks like someone took this back because they didn't even need it, because it came with scratches and it's dirty, filthy. And here you also get a box, another box full of unusual stuff. Get this pallet thingy out of the way. Show you what's inside. So, I find some unusual things. Here you get a charger with a black charger with a black adapter, and it's for it says Samsung. Yeah, these valuable products are from Greenworks, and this one came with a phone. And I better set this aside so no one can see it elsewhere. So you're gonna take it. It comes with this charger. Yeah, it says vTech, so it might be for the Kidibuzz, suitable for this device, Kidibuzz. And I see another thing, a phone called Galaxy A21. It looks very nice. It looks very nice, but the customer didn't even need it because it came with a cracked screen, broken bezel, and the screen is damaged. And look at the bottom, and it's very damaged. Lot damaged. So some customers didn't even need these items. So that's why they liquidated them. And I will go ahead and sorry for all that coughing, guys. I've been sick. So this is a Amazon Fire tablet. It's discharged. I have to test these devices after this video. And this is a Kidibuzz, which is also discharged. So as you know, like, you press this button and then it shows this icon over here. Turns off. this is a case, and it says the screen for this Galaxy still works, and you can still see the pictures. But if you buy this pallet and you drop it, the screen is gonna make some lines. Here's a Fire tablet. It's not cracked at all, but it came with a few scratches and a filthy screen. And hold on, let me smell the back of the tablet. Oh my god, so disgusting in the back. And the back kind of feels like it's dirty in the case too. It came with the case. And the case is still in good condition, and it's disgusting, guys, because people are complaining that new electronics smell. This charger is, one of you lucky people know that these chargers come with electronic baby toys, which is suitable for this Kidibuzz thing, which says kitty because it's designed for kids. Very nice. And there's no bad condition with this charger. It's in good condition, fully functional. And yeah, there's no things from Grape or anything like the one Grape ordained that makes some iScouts and V phones. All right, and yeah, this is very good condition because look, it turns on. There's like a lot of things to this device, like it looks like someone didn't unpack it good, didn't open it up good. And it's from Metro. It's from Metro. And yeah, it's from Metro. And as you can see in the screen, I don't know, because I'm recording and my device shows everything backwards. I am recording with an Apple iPhone 6s. Like, you might be wondering, those devices that are... No, I mean those iPhones that are discontinued. And I know some of you lucky people may not want a Samsung and want a Apple. This is from Costco, and it is a Costco, like the car seats for kids. But I made it as a pretend electronics company like Samsung. This one I call it Gyla A21. Like, you see my future videos about the comparison to the cardboard models of these. And as you know, all right, let me put on the case. And the case, online at fastliquidation.com, I noticed that it showed a question mark. Like, they didn't know how the item looked like because it wasn't out of the box. It wasn't in the box. But yeah, there are a couple of damages, like to this case. And what it did is that someone used it and it got dropped. And there were like 4 bezels, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, 4 bezels in this case, plastic bezels in this case that fell off. And the customer was very mad and dropped it, and because they weren't secured properly, then he took it back to the store to get a refund for it. And yeah, some people think these pallets cost like $100 up to $120.99. It was at a warehouse, which is smart. And yeah, this is the pallet that came with my things I needed. And yeah, they're all electronics. There's nothing bad with them. And so yeah, that's my video. This is the video I made. Like, I'm sorry for not making too much videos. Please subscribe, like my videos, comment down below, and share my videos to any friend that like my channel. So, yeah. These are all the items that came with it. So, thank you for watching and peace.